In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Sheet Summary in Smartsheet step by step. If you want a clean way to track key metrics, project details, budgets, or high-level information without cluttering your main sheet, Sheet Summary is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create summary fields, customize their properties, format numbers, and even add images. So make sure to watch until the end. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Smartsheet and go to the sheet where you want to use Sheet Summary. This can be any project sheet, task tracker, budget planner, or workflow sheet. Once you're inside the sheet in Grid View, look toward the right-hand side of the interface. Next, click on the Summary option. This will open the Sheet Summary panel. Think of this area as a dedicated space for high-level information about your sheet. It's perfect for things like project owner, start date, end date, total budget, overall status, or any key metrics you want to display separately from your row data. Now, to create your first summary field, click on Plus New Field. This allows you to add a custom field to your sheet summary. When you click this, you'll be prompted to select a field type. Go ahead and select the type that matches the kind of data you want to store. For example, you can choose text or number fields depending on your needs. If you're tracking a budget or total cost, you'll likely select a number field. If you're adding a project name or description, you can choose text. After selecting the type, give your field a clear and meaningful name. For example, you might name it Total Budget, Project Manager, or Overall Status. Naming your fields properly is important because it keeps your sheet organized and makes reporting much easier later on. Once the field is created, you can continue adding more fields by clicking New Field again. You can create as many summary fields as you need to capture all your important high-level details. This flexibility makes Sheet Summary extremely powerful for dashboards and reporting. Now let's customize a field. Click on the three dots next to a summary field. From here, you can access additional properties and settings. This is where you can refine how the data appears and behaves. For example, if you're working with financial data, you can format the field as currency. This ensures that values are displayed with the correct currency symbol and formatting, which makes your sheet look more professional and easier to understand. You can also adjust the number formatting. This allows you to control decimal places, separators, and overall number display. Proper formatting is especially useful when presenting totals, percentages, or calculated values in reports. Another useful feature is the ability to add an image to your sheet summary. This can be helpful if you want to include a project logo, reference image, or any visual element related to the sheet. Adding an image makes your summary more visually informative, especially if you're sharing the sheet with stakeholders. And that's how you use Sheet Summary in Smartsheet. To recap, you go to your sheet, open the Summary panel, create a new field, choose the appropriate type, name it clearly, customize its properties, apply formatting like currency or number settings, and even add images when needed. It's a simple but powerful way to organize high-level information without interfering with your main data grid. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.